All right, continue. This means upon him. Okay, on him, at him. Okay, and 仿几么？仿几？仿几 means ask. Okay, and 么 just you don't translate more. Just connect this ask with another verb. Okay, so 悉尼阿拉哈悉尼 that means your, but it's just you. Okay, araha and ra means right, ha past tense. That means what you have written. Okay, so 讲章 this 讲章讲 okay, it's this 讲 is the lecturing. Okay, this is a simplified character. Okay, and the 章 章 is this the lecture note. Okay, or the draft or the sheet. All right. 你 okay, possessive word. This 你 because this on after this sound you have to use 你 rather than 一 okay, just put a dot on the 一 all right, and dorgide okay, dorgide dorgi means inside, de is this preposition word. Okay, that means inside your lecture note that you wrote. Okay, all right. 恩出的门伯 okay, 恩出 means different. 恩 okay, so this is a and this is n. All right, don't make them too close, otherwise it looks like a. This is a, but this is n. Okay, 恩出 means different. Okay, and the moon okay, means strange things, but together 恩出的门 means a heresy. Okay, means the weird teachings. Okay, and 恩出的门伯我们喜伯 to be. Okay, 我们喜 very much. 我们喜 okay. 拉斯哈拉拉拉斯哈拉拉拉斯哈拉 Lashala means to eliminate, to make them despair. Okay, and Ra. Okay, Lashala Ra means the future thing or the ongoing thing. Okay, anyway, so to do it. Okay, and Sere Gisumbi Sere such Sere. Okay, it's not just like such things, such words. Okay, Gisun. Okay, such words, and be like there is, there are. Okay,